So I have a garage door that has a gap. You can see it. So the best fix would be to simply mark where your stuff is like that. This one is fine. So it's just this side and a little bit on this side. So mark where you have it, and then so basically use something like this, sticky, or be creative and just put on this spot, just put some bump and close it up with tape or something. So it's like that. See that? Boom. And the same thing at the bottom where I marked this spot right here. So hopefully that helps. Basically it's a bump, and let's see, I want to actually add a second layer, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so the moment of truth. Way better. Probably even go a little bit more, but definitely way better. So probably needs 3 layers on the size that I used. So just gotta play with it and make sure it's not too tight so it's still closing. But there you guys have it. Hopefully that helps. Should be the easiest fix.